Now, for better understanding, I've decided to separate these videos differently. So here I'll be teaching you everything that pertains how to mold or last a loafer shoe, from attaching your floor to your shoe last. Then you place your top, centralize, make sure it's centralized, then you pull to the front, make sure you pull very well, then you tag. And if you're using tagging nails, then you tag. If you're using uh um what's it called, tagging pin, you can also use that. Once you tag to the front, now make sure the middle point is straight. All right, make sure your apron is straight to the front, then you pull to the side using your thumbnail, your middle finger, and your index. All right, make sure the top lines are in position, none is below or none is above the other side. All right, so once you do that, you tag using your tag nail. Don't forget, you're using the materials we're using here: tag nail, shoe last, plier, that's the lasting plier, hammer, then your scissors, then your manpower, right, then your gum and a gum brush, gum container, the rest of them, then the front sleeve, your main top. So keep tagging until you feel, or until your top is properly fixed to your shoe last. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment, and make sure you copy the link of our videos and share to others. Here I'm trying to explain the importance of your index finger, your thumbnail, and your middle finger in lacing. Now in lacing, you pull with uh your thumbnails and your index finger, then you use your middle finger to hold the tag nail in position, right, before you now hit it with your hammer. All right, so that was what I just explained, was trying to explain. All right, then from there, once you're sure your top is tagged, is well tagged to the shoe last, you now raise it at the back. Yes, the back cover, or your heel cap, what we call the heel cap, raise it up, because you'll be applying frontal stiff and back stiff, right? So after that, you can apply your gum. Please, if you're applying gum, make sure you don't allow the gum to enter to the interior of your shoe. All right, so carefully rub your gum, pick the gum from the gum container straight to the fiber before you now rub on the padding materials to avoid entry of gum. Do that carefully. Like I said, give me a like if you already love this video and you want others to learn about this. Then please give me a like so that YouTube can, show more audience what we do. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell. If you have support you want to send, please, you can use that. You can do that. You are using the thank you icon on the down part of this video, right? Whatever currency you want to send, just follow the procedures involved and do that. You can also reach out to me on WhatsApp using my WhatsApp number +2349035539885. So now we are applying our frontal stiff. All right, let's apply the frontal stiff. Now the front stiff is a plastic, is a rubber material. Once you rub the gum to the front, you rub the gum on the frontal stiff, then you melt using heat. If you don't have the gas heat, you can use electrical heat, or you can use normal natural heat. That's the naked flame, just anything that can melt or that can soften.
Yes, bro.
All right,
You can do this.
so apply carefully.
Yo, bro, you're fucking up, man.
All right, so
Yo, I've done it.
here the frontal stiff was kind of not straight, so I have to straighten it up. So that is why I'm teaching them, and I'm also teaching you. So
Yeah.
if you want to come
She did it.
to our workshop and learn, you can do that. Just make your arrangements for housing, for house rent, and your feeding.
You
Just
fucked up.
spend 6 months with us, will teach you the basics of
They run out
shoemaking.
for my dreams.
After then, you can build on your knowledge yourself,
They draw and wear.
and you become a professional shoemaker. Alright, so after applying, make sure you scrape very well to clear or clean the points, right, at which you place your back sleeve and your front sleeve. Blend carefully, right? So here I'm trying to teach my student how to cut straight, right? You see Copper Sheriff, you see Agibu, the man from Guinea Conakry, all the way from Guinea Conakry to Nigeria to learn shoemaking. So you're learning from the best. Please subscribe. Once you're done scraping, you can apply your gum all over the shoe. This is where you bring down your main top, you cover up. Now this gum is covering every part of the shoe. Yeah, cover up, allow for drying. After drying, please carefully bring it down. And if you're coming down, be careful. First you bring the frontal part before you bring down the back side. All right, so carefully bring it down gently with your hand. All right, it's amazing, right? If you like this, please subscribe, give me a like, ask your questions if there's any. Now this is the best video ever explaining how to mold or last a loafer shoe. You can check the internet. This is the best video ever. My time to explain everything bit by bit. All right, if you like this, please subscribe. If you like this, please support, because there are so many other machines that we need. You see, everything we are doing here is purely handmade. All right, so we need machines. If you are blessed or if you are touched, you want to bless my life, please reach out to me. My number is on the screen, so at the top part of the screen. Please reach out to me on WhatsApp and bless my life. Let me get my machines in place so we can do this thing better, and you can learn better from us also. So I'm open for your blessing. I'm open for your donation. Truly, I'm just starting, so I really need a lot of machines to work with. So if you want to bless my life, I won't reject that. Whatever currency, whatever amount, I will really appreciate. I'm just trying to share out my knowledge, the little knowledge I have about what I'm doing. So that is just what I'm doing here, and I'm sure from this little explanation I just made for you, you now understand the concept of lacing a loafer shoe. Now you can apply this same pattern or this same concept to whatever shoe you want to lace. Just follow it the way I do it. God bless you. Big up.
Yahoo boy. JK. Kima Kifari Yahoo. Kifa. Eclair. It's good. Yo. International.
It's okay.
Yo man. Your phone. Bonjour, bonjour.